So we're just going to do up some barbecue sauce, some rice, and some canned chicken for a nice camp meal. I'll use my handy dandy green cup for a measuring cup, and the line here is a cup. A little bit of chicken in, heat it up. Just gonna fry it up a little bit, make it warm. I guess I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Let's go. Huh?
It's actually really good chicken.
We'll just
Yeah.
add our chicken to the rice. Gotta love the cast iron pan, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna put some Bullseye Barbecue sauce. Man, this smells awesome, I know
It
that.
does. Then add this.
Need my alpha towel. Where's the sauce? I've got my hands right in the way of the camera. What was I saying about the sporks before? That is probably 10 years old. Oh well. Honey said yesterday my spork is so good. I think she could do another shot.
Can never have too much barbecue sauce. Especially this stuff.
It's getting a little bit thick and sticky, but it smells way better than it looks.
It looks like cafeteria food. Should add some Texas Pete.
No, I forgot that on my breakfast this morning. No, I don't need Texas Pete with this one. It may not look great, but man, does it ever smell great. Let's see. Oh my God, it's awesome.